In this video tutorial, you'll learn how to reorder blog posts in WordPress. WordPress displays your blog posts in reverse chronological order or newer posts first, but sometimes you may need to move specific posts up or down. To do this, first you need to install and activate the Post Types Order plugin. I've already installed it, but if you need help installing a plugin on your website, we have a video explaining how to install a plugin. I'll link it in the description below. Then go to Settings. Then click on Post Types Order. In the Show Hide interface, select whether you want to show or hide. Then select the minimum level required for a user to use this plugin. Then click on Save Settings. Now, when I go to All Posts, I can just drag and reorder the post like this. This is how you can reorder blog posts in WordPress. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you at the next one.